You can win. You can win. You can win. Yay! Yay! Welcome to Diamond Shop Christmas Raffle. Yay! Yay! Elfie, please come back. Sit down. All right, we are having a Christmas raffle, as we just said, and you get to win a lot of prizes.
Whoa!
Isn't that great?
Yeah! And one of the trees will get smaller.
There's already a small one. We got the small, medium, and large tree. Okay, now, since it's a raffle, there are qualifications for you to join. So, here are the qualifications. Read the qualifications. This is how you get to win all of these prizes. Let me name just a few of them. But we're gonna be showing the pictures of these. We get pouches, gem cover minders, keychain cover minders. What is this, Julie? Julie Elf?
Bears!
Bears!
Yeah!
We get discount coupons, diamond painting keychains, gift cards. Oh, look at this. What does this say?
Mystery gift!
Mystery gift. Lots and lots and lots of prizes. So get ready. We're gonna be doing this all December long. You get to do it when you buy and when you are in the roll call. So there's always lots of prizes. So please check out these qualifications so you can win.